Four Miami Hurricanes received honors today. Welcome to Canes Baseball and Football Report. I am your host, Miguel Mike Medina. 4 Miami Hurricanes have received some honors. Alonso Alvarez, Dylan Dubovich, Daniel Cuvette, and Derek Williams, they earned perfect game midseason All-America honors. Congratulations, boys. Congratulations. I'm proud of you. Hard work pays off. And on top of that, of course, the Miami Hurricanes, they won Tuesday's game over Florida Gulf Coast Owls 12-4. 12 runs, 14 hits. Very good, very good. Derek Williams, he hit a 3-run home run. Braylon West also went deep in this game. Miami reliever Jake Dorn, he earned his 3rd win of the season. And now the Miami Hurricanes, they improved to 22-7. Next up, oh yes, of course, they stayed perfect, 7-0 in midweek. And next up, they got to take care of business as they will take on Virginia Tech for a 3-game weekend series. So let's go Hurricanes. It's all about the U. It's